This creamy tuna pasta bake is superb comfort food. It's a meal that everyone loves and it's made with mostly store-cupboard ingredients. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. There's something about a pasta bake that makes everyone so happy. It's simple to make, it's relatively cost-effective, and it's so delicious. There's guaranteed clean plates all around in our house. So let's get cooking. We're going to start by preheating the oven to 180°C or 350°F. First of all, we're going to start by boiling the pasta. I've got 400 grams, which is about 14 ounces of rigatoni pasta here, but you can use whatever pasta shapes you like. Add the pasta to a pan of boiling water and cook for 10 minutes. Whilst the pasta's cooking, we're going to make the creamy, cheesy sauce. So we want to melt 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a pan. Add in a finely diced onion and cook on a medium heat for 6 to 8 minutes until the onions are soft. Now turn up the heat a little and stir in 40 grams or about 1/3 of a cup of plain all-purpose flour. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes while stirring to cook through the flour. Now we want to add in about 600 ml, which is about 2.5 cups of full fat milk, a little bit at a time, while stirring. It's a good idea to stir with the whisk as that helps prevent any lumps forming in the sauce. Also, be sure to get right up to the edges of the pan so we don't leave any flour behind. Once all the milk is incorporated, continue to heat while stirring until the sauce thickens. Then add about 170 grams or 1 3/4 cups of grated mature cheddar cheese and stir in the sauce until melted. Season with 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and pepper. By now the pasta should be cooked, so we're going to drain it in a colander and place in a baking dish. For information, my baking dish is about 20 centimetres by 30 centimetres. Now pour the cheese sauce all over the pasta. For the tuna fish, I'm using line caught albacore tuna. It's a little bit more expensive than regular tuna, but it's meatier and creamier and really tasty. But if you can't get hold of it or don't want to use it, then that's absolutely fine. Just use regular good quality tin tuna. So we're adding in 320 grams or 11 ounces of that drained tuna to the dish with the pasta and sauce. We're also going to add in 330 grams or 11.5 ounces of drained tinned sweetcorn and 150 grams or a cup of frozen peas. Then mix it all together. Then we'll top the pasta with about 80 to 100 grams, which is about a cup of grated mature cheddar cheese. Now we're going to place this in the preheated oven. In case you missed it, that was 180°C or 350°F for about 15 to 20 minutes until that cheese is golden and bubbling. Once that's done, take out of the oven and it's time to serve up. There we go, sprinkle on a little fresh parsley and you're done. This creamy tuna pasta bake is guaranteed to leave clean plates all around. And if you like this, then check out my veggie pasta bake. I know, no meat, but Chris devours it despite the lack of meat. See you next time.